Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write an amazing and attractive script for Teachers' Day celebration at your school, college or any other organization. This script is written for single anchor, however, two anchors can also follow this script. For the PDF of this script, you can check the description box. I have written this script according to a tentative program schedule. However, you can add or subtract any of the content according to your required program schedule. According to my program schedule, first will be opening, then lamp lighting, then welcome song. After this, felicitation of the teachers. Next would be principal's speech. Next would be cultural program. Then fun games, then vote of thanks, and finally conclusion. First is opening. The anchor may start with a powerful quote or a poem or a Sanskrit slok like I have done in this video. The anchor will say Dhyanamulam Gurur Murtihi Pujamulam Guroh Padam Mantramulam Gurur Vakyam Mokshamulam Guru Krupa. Good morning and a heartfelt welcome to everyone present here. Respected Principal Sir or Madam, esteemed teachers and my fellow students. Today is a very special day, Teachers' Day. Celebrated every year on 5th of September. To honor the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. I, after this, say your name, welcome you all to the Teachers' Day celebration of our school. Next would be lamp lighting. The anchor will say, the lamp of wisdom dispels the darkness of ignorance. To mark the beginning of this auspicious occasion, let us light the ceremonial lamp. request our principal sir or madam and senior teachers to kindly come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. After this, the principal sir or madam along with senior teachers will come up for the lamp lighting, and after lamp lighting, the anchor will continue. Thank you for gracing this moment and filling it with light positivity. After this, welcome song. The anchor will say, next up we have a soulful welcome song. Dedicated to the beautiful relationship of teachers and students. Dear audience, please put your hands together for our school choir. After this, the students will come up the stage for the performance. After the song performance, the anchor will continue. Thank you, dear students. For setting such a joyful tone for the day. After this, felicitation of the teachers will take place. So, the anchor will start. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. It lives on forever in the lives they touch. Now we have our felicitation ceremony. As each teacher's name is announced, let's shower them with thunderous applause and deepest respect. After this, call out the names of the teachers supposed to be felicitated one by one and request the audience to give them a huge round of applause each time. After the felicitation ceremony, the anchor will continue. Thank you, teachers. You are the reason we dream, achieve, and succeed. After this, principal sirs or madam's speech. The anchor will start. A leader is one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. We are blessed to have such a visionary guiding our school. It is my honor to invite our respected principal sir or madam to address the gathering. After this, principal sir or madam will come up the podium and deliver his or her speech. After the speech, the anchor will continue. Thank you, principal sir or madam, for your inspiring message. Here you can add some of the lines from the principal sir or madam's speech as highlight and thank them for the same. Next is cultural program. The anchor will say, art is the best form of gratitude. It speaks what words cannot. And truly, today is not just about speeches and words. It is about feelings. Better way to express our love for teachers than through music, dance, and drama? Let us applaud loud as our students bring these stories of gratitude and respect to life. After this, announce the cultural programs scheduled serially. After this, you may have a fun game with teachers. The anchor will say, "Thank you, dear performers, for filling the stage with energy and emotions." And now, let's bring in some fun and laughter with a games session for our teachers. Let's cheer loudly as our teachers play the game. Here, you can organize fun games like musical chair or damsaras, etc. After this, there would be vote of thanks. The anchor will say, to formally express our gratitude, I now invite our student representative. Here, say the name of the student representative along with his or her class to deliver the vote of thanks. Now, the student representative will come up the podium and deliver the vote of thanks as speech, and after the speech, the anchor will say, "Thank you," and then the name of the student representative. for beautifully expressing on behalf of all students. Now comes the final and the end part, conclusion. The anchor will say, and with this we come to the end of our Teachers' Day celebration. On behalf of all students, I bow to our teachers with love, respect and gratitude. Thank you for guiding us, supporting us and shaping our lives. Wishing all our dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you all for being a part of today's program.